Good morning, QSI Benin. Today is Friday, 29th of May. Below you're going to find the two last videos for this week. We have been sharing videos of comics that were submitted for the comic book contest. And these two last videos of readings of those comics are from Danielle and Hitanshu. I hope you enjoy them. They're fun comics, and they use a particular program to help design and create the comics. I hope you enjoy them. Monday is a day off. It's a day off from school. It is Whit Monday in Benin, and that is listed as a school holiday. Please enjoy the 3-day weekend. We'll see everybody back here on Tuesday, the 2nd of June. Parents, just to remind you, you can nominate your children who have been working so hard at home for a Success Orientation Award. If you'd like to nominate them, please send a nomination email. Just write an email to the teachers, the homeroom teachers, and let them know what you'd like to nominate your children for, which Success Orientation, and for what reason. Okay? I'm sure a lot of students have been working very hard and diligently at home and have demonstrated many great success orientations. I wish you all the best. Have a good weekend. And remember, just keep working with your teachers. We do have one more instructional week next week, and then we'll be wrapping up the school year with some days of activities for fun after that. Have a great 3-day weekend. See you all back here on Tuesday, the 2nd of June. Bye-bye.